I am Eric with Mwade.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So let's take a look at markets here, and it's going to be a quick educational video. I'm going to be highlighting one stock, which on the surface looks like it is preparing to eventually clear this range where it's been trading sideways. On a weekly basis, that's been the range. So those who are looking at this from a positive perspective are anticipating a breakout maybe at some point. And of course, those looking at this from a bearish perspective would want to see a break below this box. Now, this is the 2-year weekly chart. And that's the view that I would like to highlight. Of course, there's more on this chart, but let's just stick to that for now. Okay, now let's switch to all data monthly, and I'll show you the issue that I have here. There is a major reason to anticipate some struggle, if not outright resistance, on this stock. This is all data on the monthly going back to 94, late 93. Okay, and the stock is SPG. Of course, this is in the real estate space. And based on the uniformity concept, which is my own researched method that I've been sharing with you guys for many years, and this is an absolutely powerful way of looking at markets. So we see that there was a break here in 16 major highs. Take that break, use it as a future reference point. Notice how the instrument is very aware. It has a memory of that break in 2016. You got double top resistance there for the highs there of 2018. Ultimately, we get this massive plunge. Now, what we've done essentially is come all the way back. A good move, a good recovery, but the RSI seems to have come back exactly where it is trading now, and could be forming another double top. Now remember, this is a critical phase because the RSI on the monthly is at about 61.8, and this is where we tend to have some decision making on a lot of these instruments. So I would say, based on this chart, unless it can clear this 61.8 level, it seems to me what the market is saying and what this instrument is hinting at is that it is preparing for a massive plunge, which, if we just kind of extend it to the sector, could suggest the sector and potentially the general market is looking to do one of these down action moves. We shall see. And again, I have to qualify this because we don't want to decide for the instrument. It has its own choice. But if it can clear this area, then that sell signal is out of the picture. Resistance around here on the RSI does suggest to anticipate a move down, and an aggressive move down at that. Also primarily because we've had a big reversal from about 40 to the highs here of about 150-ish. 130s. Let's go now. 130s. So there might be a need for a reversal of current level. Now that is the reason for this video, but let's add some color. Why not? The first line I would like you to consider is the line coming off the lows here in late 99, connecting to the lows of 08, and I'm going to extend it. It's going to look like that. So again, it's a strange line, quote unquote, is what I call it, because at first it makes no sense. But that line actually gives us a breakout here. Nice entry, turns into support here. I did not do it. The market found support right there, middle of 2013. We break below it here. In fact, oh, there was another support zone here on the way up. double top resistance, if not triple top. Dang, dang, dang. And now could be resistance. So this seemingly strange line is legit. The chart is telling if there's going to be upside, it needs to clear that line to the upside. Well, if one is not enough, let's do it again. Take the lows here of early 09, and there is a little bit of a low right there, late 2016. Hope you can see it. So right there, I'm going to connect those two lines, or those 2 points, and we see what we get. Make sense to you? Like that. And you can do this on your own if my chart is not clear. But you can see here again, there's a huge question mark, because if we continue rolling over with uniform action back below the black line, then definitely that's another hint that this is a significant sell signal area. Again, in all of this, to correct this, the RSI must clear all these lines, including the previous line that I had drawn, the uniformity line. It would have to clear all those lines before moving higher. Otherwise, as noted, stated, highlighted, identified, chances are this thing is screaming downwards. But we shall see. Oh, and by the way, this is why breakouts make sense. Breakouts make sense because they clear all the resistance levels. So a breakout there would actually move things higher, because why? Because it has cleared all these resistance lines. And that's why the breakout method is a powerful method of riding momentum. So be it. I am Eric Moade. It is a great joy to leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.